Today we're going to make sofrito. Sofrito is the base of a lot of Latin American dishes. The concept or the origin of sofrito is actually from Spain, and Latin American countries have their own versions of it. And the one that I'm making today is, well, I'm not going to say it's Puerto Rican or Dominican because it may be a mix of both. You can use it as a base for meat or as a base for rice and stews. So I'm actually going to make a large batch. I'm going to use 2 large onions. You need 4 of these peppers, 2 red bell peppers, 3 green bell peppers. You need about a pound of these sweet bell peppers. You need 1 bunch of culantro or recao. I'm going to use 2 bunches of cilantro. And here I have, this would be about 40 garlic cloves. So we're going to prep now, and first we're going to wash. You want to do the same thing with the cilantro. Cut the stems because the stems makes the sofrito taste better. So you want to make sure to take the seeds out. So now we're going to cut the green pepper. Okay, so when it comes to these, remember these are called Aji Dulce, and they're sweet. They're not habaneros, but they look alike, so to confuse them, we're just going to take the stem out and wash. You don't have to take out the seeds inside. Okay, so now we're just going to wash this. Okay, and last, the onion. So we're done with the prepping and we're going to use the food processor now. If you have trouble processing the culantro and the cilantro, just push those in a bit so they can continue to process. So I'm going to show you how it looks now. We still have a few things to process and then we're done. And I'm going to freeze the first batch into ice cubes. And by the way, this is actually a jar of classical. Yes. I buy these and then I save the jar. So it makes a large batch. And you know, I don't keep all of it. I like to give away some of it. So if you don't want to make such a large batch, just cut the recipe in half. So this is going into the freezer. Once it's frozen, you put the cubes into Ziploc bags, into freezer bags.